Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 from your Android. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button called disconnect. And to disconnect your earbuds you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you click on it, you will stop Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair it, you click at the forget button with this trash icon, and you will totally remove your earbuds from the device list. Now let me click on it, and if I go back, as you can see, I stop Bluetooth connection with it, but I still have it at the device list, so I can easily reconnect it by just pressing it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!